Our focus has always been on building a reputation as the #1 source for quality auto parts. All genuine parts are built with the engineering expertise. They're the original equipment for Ford, Lincoln and Mercury vehicles and help restore new vehicle-like performance and reliability. As a global leader in automotive replacement parts and related services, our focus has always been on building a reputation as the #1 source for quality auto parts. Our product portfolio includes maintenance parts, such as car batteries, spark plugs, oil filters, air filters, wiper blades, and brakes, as well as repair parts such as alternators, radiators, chassis and heating, cooling components. Top reviews from the United States. Commonly used for older accessible vans. Glad to find this at a good price. Appears to be identical to the one that I had that the local handicap conversion company wanted to sell me for 3 times the price. Also, they would only sell it to me if I paid them to install it.